Hey, did you hear about the incident at the construction site yesterday? Apparently, a structural beam failed, causing a partial collapse.
No, I didn't hear about that. That's terrible. What happened?
Well, from what I've been told, the welding inspector missed a crucial defect during the visual inspection of the welds on that beam.
Visual inspection. Isn't that just a basic check with the naked eye? How could something so simple be that important?
You'd be surprised. Visual inspection is one of the most critical steps in ensuring weld quality and structural integrity. A trained eye can detect surface imperfections, cracks, undercuts, and other defect that could compromise the weld strength.
I see. So, it's not just a cursory glance, but a thorough examination by someone who knows what to look for.
Exactly. The inspector should have noticed any irregularities, discoloration, or inconsistencies in the weld's appearance. Even minor defect can lead to catastrophic failures down the line.
Wow, I never realized how crucial visual inspection is in the welding process.
It's the first line of defense against potential issues. And it's not just about the welds themselves. The inspectors also check for proper joint preparation, cleanliness, and compliance with welding procedures.
I can see why this step is so essential. A missed defect could put people's lives at risk.
That's why we need to emphasize the importance of visual inspection and ensure that our inspectors are well trained and vigilant. It may seem like a simple task, but it's a critical safeguard in the welding industry.